Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this rotary shaver for wet or dry shaving from Silvercrest Personal Care. Operating time 60 minutes, charge time 90 minutes, shaver protected against water flow IPX6, multifunctional LED display with battery indicator from 0 to 100% with 2-in-1 bird and sideburn styler, Leon technology with a 3 years warranty. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and see how we can use this shaver, use it on my face and see how well it can shave. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. We have this bag, travel bag. You can have all the accessories inside with a shaver. The one head. And of course we have the power adapter. The length of the cable, it is about 2 meters, very convenient. With 5 volt, 9 amp, 4.5 watt output. This brush for cleaning your shaver inside the head. I like it. We have the cover. Goes here and protect these 3 heads. I like it. It fits very well at my palm. It is small, definitely portable because you can charge it, lithium battery. 500 mAh it is the lithium battery, nice. It has optimal contour adjustment with a precision cutting system with 3 spring mounted dual ring shaving heads. Just press this button, release, and of course you can clean it with this brush, everything inside. Press and it locks. By rotating you can remove that and then you can install that. And it locks. 2-in-1 bird and sideburn styler. With 4 length settings, 3, 4, 5 and 6 mm, it says here. You can adjust, just press and adjust. And 6. Nice, I like it. And again you can just rotate, release and install that. So easy. I like this black around, matte black at the back, at the front. And of course you can charge it, plug it in the charger. Okay, 100% is fully charged. I like that when a product comes fully charged. And of course you can use it simultaneously as it's charging, just press the button and press and it turns on. We can see the icon here that it shows us you can use it under the water, I like that. And the lock and lock for the shaver. It has a travel lock function, prevent the shaver from switching on accidentally when you are traveling. Let's unplug it, it is fully charged, I like that. And after a few seconds it will switch off automatically the display. Press and hold. And we can see the lock button is flashing. That means you cannot use your shaver. For using the shaver again, just press and hold, unlocks, and you can use it. So easy. Nice. It looks great, I like it. And it only costs 27 euros. Well, let's save myself on the face and see how it works. Starting with the sideburn styler on 6 mm length. Nice, I like it. Very good cutting hair. And now only with a head trimmer, just to make straight lines on my hair. And the results are very good. And of course I can use it to minimize the length of my beard before using the shaver. And once again the results are very good. And now cutting all my beard before using the shaver will be easier for me to shave myself because I have very dense beard. For sure under the water will be easier to shave. And now let's start shaving myself with the shaver. Oh, I like it. My skin it is very smooth. Definitely is doing a good job. Compare it with this area. I have used it and under the water. I like it more under the hot water. Definitely it can save my face very well. If you have a sensitive skin, I think it will be better to shave yourself under the water. Overall, I can say it's doing a good job. It has a good feeling after finishing the shaving. My skin is very smooth. I don't have any rash after shaving. And with my moisturizer cream will be perfect my skin. But without a doubt, I enjoy more shaving myself under the water on my bath. It is rechargeable with a lithium battery. It lasts long in the point you will forget to charge it. And I like a lot the display, it's nice to have the information for the battery remaining. And it costs only 27 euros. It is a value of money. If you need to buy a rotary shaver with a head trimmer, this is the right choice. I like it. Thumbs up. Definitely you will enjoy any moment shaving yourself. And without saying, my viewers, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.